Welcome to TruCHAT. To set up a new account, go to our homepage at TruCHAT.io and click on Free Account. Now scroll to the bottom of the page and click on Sign Up. Now enter your first name, last name, email address, your mobile phone, and a really good, strong password. You'll then get a thank you, followed by an email in your inbox. Click on that email, and then select Verify your email. Your email is now verified, and your account is confirmed. Sign into your account with your email address, and click on Sign In. You will land on the TruVisibility dashboard. From here, you can select Chat or use the drop-down hamburger menu to select Chat. Selecting Chat will take you to TruCHAT. First, you have to agree to the terms and conditions. Now, complete your business profile by entering in your company name, the number of employees, and how you plan to use TruCHAT. This will help us to serve you better. Now click Get Started. And that's it, you're in TruCHAT. First, we'll present a short tour of the dashboard so that you can see the various menu selections and what they do. End the tour, and now you will see on your upper left how many days are remaining in your TruCHAT free trial. Click on Chatbots to begin the process of creating a chatbot, which we will do in the next video.